Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you some one app that you can use to mine. Like at the free time you can just put that app in the background. It's this app, you might have seen it. Like, let me first show you on the app store. It's available in the app store too. So type honey gain, and yeah, you will just find this one. Just open it, sign in, and you will get some reward. Like, if you click the link down below, you will get a $5 extra bonus. So yeah, you can also transfer your fund to your crypto wallet like MetaMask. So let me show you. You can just click on here. Let's wait. Let me sign in. So you can get over here. It's the main. Let me just switch. Okay, switch the servers, and yeah, over here you can just switch your transfer wallet. You can just transfer it, but now I won't, because let's don't transfer it now. You can get more offers and earn, but they are just quite time wasting and time consuming. So yeah, if you have time, then you can just try these, but I don't recommend you, because they are quite hard. So it's connected, and let me give you a tip about getting few more of these, earning a lot of honey gains. First of all, you can just provide referral link to others. So you can provide it by just going up here, invite. You can just click here, copy this link. So you can copy it, and you will earn how much your friend is active. So here you can connect to multiple devices, and note that you are gonna get an error or some kind of network overload kind of bug. That's not a bug, but that's some kind of if two or more than two devices are connected to the same IP address of your network, then it won't work. Basically, it won't that much mine, so you have to connect it to a next network or IP address. So yeah, that's it. You won't get this feature. You have to sign in first from this jump task. If you want to switch to your honeygain or your jump task mining, if you choose one, then another will be paused. So yeah, you can mine honeygain coins from here and jump task, and you can see a 50% bonus gift. This is for limited offer, limited time. So yeah, you can just try this 50% bonus at the beginning. So I'm also quite new to this, and see, you can get some information about it, and you will also get some lucky draw chances every day. You have to open a honey jar or things like that. You will get some tokens. Basically, you will just normally you will get 10 of these. So yeah,